Hello, boys and girls, men and women, ladies and gentlemen. It is I, once again, Geeter-Burns, and we're going to continue our best and easiest Rubik's Cube tutorial. Before we continue, I want to apologize for any confusion I may have caused on the last video. I talked about permutating and orientating these corners. Those descriptions that I talked about are for the advanced version, and we're just doing the beginner, so I want to apologize for that. The next step, officially, well, quick review. Step 1, we did the white cross. Step 2, we did the white corners. Step 3, we did the bottom 2 layers. And step 4, we did the yellow cross. The official name of this step, not official, but what most people call this next step, is doing the yellow edges. I like to call it building the chimney. The chimney, to me, is matching the top middle piece with the bottom 2 layers color-wise. So we have this chimney done, and then you want to turn it until you can try to get all 4 chimneys matched up. If for any reason the chimneys are not matched up, what you want to do is try to match up 2 where they're back to back. Okay? When you have 2 that are back to back, where the chimneys are completed, you take the messed up chimney and put it on the left side. In other words, these have to be switched. And they get switched with the following algorithm. Right, up. Right, reverse, up. Right, up twice, right reverse, up. And as you can see, all the chimneys are done. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to mess it up on purpose to show you something. Let's say, for example, that no matter which way you turn it, I'm going to try to get it as quickly as I can. May have it. So if you have a situation to where no matter which way you turn it, you don't get 2 chimneys back to back color-wise, what you do is do the algorithm and repeat it until you get a scenario where these are back to back and these are on the left. Sometimes it's trial and error, but you never have to worry because eventually they'll come about the right way. But as you can see, we successfully created 4 successful chimneys. Now the next step is to get the yellow corner pieces in the right side. That'll be done on the next video. I'll explain it in detail on the next video. We're having a lot of fun. Nothing's messed up. If you still need additional help, review the videos or the websites.